Here we're showing how to dismantle the machine for cleaning, and also the way that we are dismantling the machine is the same way that you would put it on. Just basically do the reverse. When you're tightening the nuts, make sure that you're tightening them equally balanced so that not one side pushes more to the other. Disconnect the conveyor belt from the machine. Unscrew the arm and the knobs to remove the conveyor belt. Removing the roll of paper. Removing the meat brick or free flow shaper. This here, what we're showing is for cleaning. Remove the knobs. When you want to wash, you remove the panel from the bottom for washing. And you can also remove the belts if necessary. You can just hose it down.
Make sure that one is in the front.
Make sure that the way that the little key holes here, the way it's facing, it faces towards the front as you see here on the belt. Same way you take it out is the same way you put it on. You can wash the belt like that separately and then wash the machine down that way. Same thing here. Removing the belt from the back. There's the little pin. And then after you remove the belt through there. And same scenario, keep an eye on the way the belt is facing. So that way you put it in the same position. And now removing the blade for washing, you want to disconnect the pump. That way, like that. Release the knobs here. And here we're showing you how to remove the blade for further washing the machine. Very simple. Okay. Now putting it back on really quick. Okay. That you want to align there, of course. So once the blade is centered, you put back the knobs. And then you want to make the connections, the blue on top and the silver in the bottom. And over here you have the safety latch or roller. You can be turning this all the time. You just gotta understand that when opening it, it's a half moon on the inside. So you just gotta show you what that looks like. That's what it looks like right there. So that's the safety opening latch. All right, and you can close it now. And if you need one of these machines, don't forget to contact CM Machine Services. We're going to show you how to disconnect the machine from the stand. The same way you disconnect, I'll show you how to connect it. So I just want to explain to you how to insert the machine on the stand and the way the stand is facing and how you will insert on here. As mentioned, this is adjustable, and here are the legs. Okay, so they insert inside there. When inserting and when assembling these legs, when they come out from the package, see the way that the machine is right now on our table. That's the way it looks. And the way you want to insert is the L. Think of it as an L facing that way of the machine. Okay, facing down. And then and here is what it looks like on this side of the machine. And you want to install the legs this way, so that when you put the machine on, you're going to put it that way. Okay, and looking at the manual, of course, and the pictures on our website, and how this video first started, you'll see how it's supposed to look like.